Okay, gentlemen, previously we talked about the descriptive composition. This time we are talking about argumentative topics. And I had told you before this lecture that whenever you write something, you must first of all try to understand the topic and then do accordingly. For example, if you are going to follow the to write argumentative essay, so there are some steps in this lecture that you can follow, and it is better to avoid this argumentative because it requires strong arguments. It needs that you have full information about for and against, and it is a kind of controversial topic. Sometimes you may be right in your own opinion, but it may be bad for the others, right? So these are, for example, discuss the factors for and against capital punishment. This is, you have to provide the for and against statements about this capital punishment. Yeah, for example, equal rights for women. What is your opinion? This is your opinion. So naturally, when you talk about the women rights, you may go against the rights. You may put forward some arguments which may dislike the examiner, right? So this is also controversial. The this author also avoid argumentative topics if you can. This is good for you. So I would not suggest to write argumentative. And if you wish to follow the argumentative and you are going to write argumentative topics, so you have to follow these principles. Okay, you have to follow these principles, guidelines. Stay cool while writing some arguments. You first of all stay cool, means you don't go against the people, you don't put your arguments which is against the someone's opinion. So you must first of all stay cool, keep your temper. Number second, don't attack people of a different race or religion. You are not supposed to attack the religion of the person, a race. You dislike a race and you write arguments about you are disliking, and sometimes the examiner may belong to that caste, that race, so naturally you will be given less marks. Rather, it can be cancelled. These are the very controversial topics. You're not supposed to go for that. Number C, always try to consider both sides of a topic even if you do not agree with one side. Yes, if you go give equal arguments, don't go against the one side, and if you can provide the for and against and the good qualities and the bad qualities, and then you can conclude that's it, that's good. But if you go on one side, so it will destroy your essay. Don't exaggerate. There is no need of exaggeration in argumentative. That's why I suggest you that don't write the argumentative, because sometimes you have to follow the steps. It's very difficult to control your thoughts, your opinion, right? So this is also, if you wish to continue, so you don't exaggerate. Okay, if you make a claim or a statement, try to provide some proof or examples. Yes, in argumentative topics, you must provide example and proof for your statement, whatever the statement you put forward. So it's also a difficult task. Number, if avoid dogmatic words like always, never, and only. It is wiser to use words such as often, seldom, and one of these things. This is also, if you are going to select the argumentative topics, so you have to follow these steps. And if you cannot follow these steps, so you must avoid writing. Now, planning. In many cases, you can use this method. Discuss the needs for something, women's right, capital punishment, family planning. Consider the factors in favor of the something, in favor of something. Consider the factors against it. Sum up or give your personal view. Try not to introduce new ideas in your final paragraph. Yes, you put forward different arguments, and then you can also put forward your proposal and suggestion on the basis of the arguments you have provided, right? Now the exercise, write a composition on one of these top subjects. Your teacher will tell you whether to write 200, 300. This is This is open choice. You like 200, 300, 450 words. Remember to be calm and objective. These are the topic. You read them all. Try to understand. Think over it. Plan an essay and submit your assignment. After reading, after understanding the topic, argumentative, how to write argumentative essays, right? So you select one among them and try to write the argumentative essay, and try to provide the proof, arguments, valid with example, right? Okay, thank you so much.